All right, go in.
All right, have fun. Don't go out there.
All right, don't turn the light on.
All right.
I'm not going out there. That's too much lightning.
Is it still going cloud to cloud?
Yeah, constant. It's multiple every second. There's one, huge one. I think I just got that one on video.
Well, it's just if you walk out like to your car. Oh, come on out. You can stay here.
The wind is picking up now.
Here, Virginia, come on. You'll see it. It's going cloud to cloud.
Yeah, it's a ton of it too.
No, it's right there. See the little light? The little light now?
Yeah.
It's like an eyeball. Yeah.
I wouldn't look too close.
Getting down here at Regina's level.
See what I can see.
Mm-hmm.
I can't see much, obviously. My head's up here with
This
the
is one
garage
of the
door.
advantages that Regina has. She can see the whole sky from here.
I can.
Mm-hmm.
Are you getting that well?
Yeah.
I'm hoping we'll see a sky-to-sky one here in a minute, a cloud-to-cloud. I saw some. I mean to tell you, they weren't.
It'll be right out there
It looked
because
like tentacles, you know.
it'll be right over what's his name's house.
Like it looked like almost like an octopus.
See, most of it is inside the clouds, so you can't see it. It's too far in the clouds. It's just lighting up the clouds.
We'll see one. See, that's north. So way over there, there. Did you see that one?
Beautiful, yeah.
Yeah. So if they're way over there, that's like Sherman, Paris, out there.
It stopped raining.
Is the squall line still coming?